Hello students, we continue with SS chapter 5 India's Heritage of Science and Technology part 2. Now the topic that we are going to see is about mathematics. Many epoch-making mathematical discoveries were considered to be made in India through which the contemporary global affairs are carried out. The gift of India to the world are discovery of zero, decimal system, algebra, theorem of Bodian, geometry and arithmetic. Third point, Aryabhatta discovered zero. The process of writing zero after figure was discovered by the sage named Guru Samat. Fifth point, the ancient Indian mathematicians have decided the names of the number made by placing 53 zero after 1. Decimal system has been seen for measuring and weighing instrument which has been found from the remains of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Bhaskaracharya has written books Leelavati Ganit and Bij Ganit in 1150 AD. 8 point, he discovered science of addition and subtraction, that is plus and minus. 9 point, Brahmagupta introduced the types of equation. Bodian discovered theorems, that is triangle policy. Apstamba has decided the measurement of sacrificial pets Yajnavedis used for the Vedic yajnas in Shulva Sutras 800 BC. It is also consist analysis of principle. Aryabhatta had mentioned the value of pi is 22 by 7 3.14 in his book Aryabhatyam. He also propounded that pi is a constant to show the ratio of circumference and diameter of circle. Multiplication, addition, subtraction, square root, cube root, Ashtang method introduced by Aryabhatta in his work. Hence, Aryabhatta is known as the father of mathematics. Moreover, he had written many other books like Dashganita, Aryabhatyam. He has described the main principle of astronomy in short in his book named Arya Siddhanta. 18th point, he found the solution of fundamental of mathematics, that is arithmetic and geometry. Apart from these, various aspects of mathematics had been discussed by many scholars in their book. Among them, the scholars like Bodhyan, Apstamba, Katyan, Bhaskaracharya and Brahmagupta are included. Now we see other signs, the names and books based on science author, the book and the author. Pranjashastra Brahma Bhavya Panchal, Chikitsa Sangra Chandrapani Datta, Kamasutra Vastayana, वृक्ष आयुर्वेद महाश्री पाठशाला, योगशास्त्र महाश्री पतंजलि, यंत्र सर्वासा महाश्री भारद्वाज, कल्याणगना सम्मुखी. Astronomy and astrology. Astronomy is the most ancient science. Many work granthas related to astronomy had been written in India. An organized and deep study of astrology was made by ancient Indian university. Planets and their movement, constellation and other celestial objects were used for calculation through which astrology and astronomy were developed remarkably. Predictions were made on the basis of planetary movements. Aryabhatta made a remarkable contribution in the field of astronomy. So the first Indian satellite was named Aryabhatta on his name. He declared that the earth rotates on its own axis, and he proved that the basic reason for lunar eclipse is the shadow of the earth, which was addressed by Ajar Bahar by the scholars. In the same manner, Brahmagupta popularized the law of gravitation in his book Brahma Siddhant. Varhamihir was the great astrologer and astronomer who divided astrology into three sections: Tantra, Hora, and Samhita. His Granth named Brihad Samhita gives information regarding the effect of planets on man's future, his characteristic, various classes of animal, and the time of marriage, ponds, wells, garden, and good omen for sowing. We should feel pride that our ancestors were experts in various sciences. Now we see about the Vastu Shastra. There is an immense contribution of ancient India in the field of Vastu Shastra. It is an inseparable part of astrology. Vastu Shastra of India is being recognized, dignified, and praised by many other countries of the world. Brahma, Narad, Bahuspati, Bhrigu, Vashishta, and Vishwakarma have made unique contribution in the field of Vastu Shastra. They have propagated the principle of construction for dwelling, temple, palaces, ashwalas, fort, storehouse of ammunition, and the town planning. The description of Vastu Shastra is mentioned in Brihad Samhita. Rana Kumbh of Mewar revised this science in 15th century. According to the traditional belief, Vishkarma was the first architect of God. He divided Vastu Shastra into 8 sections. Various information of Vastu Shastra like selection of place, shapes, structure, proper planning of things, temple, brahmastan, dining room, bedroom, etc. are mentioned. As the time passes by, changes are taking place regarding the principle and understanding of Vastu Shastra. Now it is being adopted by foreigner. I'm giving the conclusion for the whole. Ancient Indian knowledge of science has been accepted by the world. Indian culture is very vast and heterogeneous. It is a blending of science and religion, traditional ideas and practical knowledge, which is rarely seen in the other countries of the world. Tolerance and equality towards all religion is seen in our culture. In spite of having diversity in religion, lifestyle and values and seniority in our country, we should not forget that Indian culture reflects unique features of unity in diversity. With this, we complete our 5th chapter. Thank you.